As storytellers, we are always searching for new perspectives to help bring our visions to life. The new DJI Mavic 3 Pro is able to create never-ending possibilities with its triple camera system. This gives creators the freedom to switch between wide, mid-range, and telephoto lenses. This is the Storytellers drone. With the new triple camera system, we can now compress a subject against the background, creating a powerful abstract effect. Within a few seconds, we are able to capture shots at 24mm, 70mm, and 166mm equivalents. With the ability to zoom in closer to wildlife without disturbing them, we can now capture shots that we once considered impossible. The Mavic 3 Pro enables us to tell our stories in more creative and dynamic ways than ever before.